Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Wi-Fi password on Asus TUF gaming router. Option 1. Change your password in Asus router application on your smartphone, so make sure you're connected to your Asus network. Then open the Asus router application and swipe left or right until you see your network name. In this window, this is your network name, Asus network. Tap on that, and this is your network key, in other words password. Tap on the eye icon to see the password. Tap on this field to delete the password and enter a new one. Also, you can separate 2.4 and 5 GHz band and set different password for each band. To do this, disable dual band smart connect. Now you have 2.4 GHz network with this password and 5 GHz network with different passwords. You can also change it here and also rename your networks if you need, but personally I prefer seamless dual band smart connect network. So the password is changed, and don't forget to tap on apply to save your changes. Now all your devices will be disconnected from this network because of you've changed your password and you have to reconnect. So wait for this window to disappear. Now it's disappeared, and what you need to do is go to your Wi-Fi settings. Now I'm connected to a different network. I need to go deeper in the core Wi-Fi settings and forget the Asus network first. On Android devices you can just change password, but on iOS you need to forget your network and connect with your new password once again. Join and wait. You're all set. The second option is to change your Wi-Fi password from the web interface. To do this, make sure you're connected to the correct network. Then open any web browser and in the search bar type in your router's IP address. The default IP address looks like this, so write it down, and if you haven't changed it, this is the IP address of your web interface. So hit enter and it takes you to login page. You need to know your credentials. If you don't know the credentials, you can't log in. So you need to reset your device. Let's sign in. Stay on the dashboard and click on the router's icon. Here is your Wi-Fi network name and password, but if you want to separate bands and set different password for each band, you need to scroll down, select wireless. And here is your wireless settings. A bit more settings than in application, but anyway, here is your network name. This is your smart connect, dual band smart connect over here. And here is your password. After you change your password, don't forget to click on apply, and as before, you need to reconnect all devices to this network with your new password. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye, guys.